Hi guys, in this episode of Cooking with the Ley Sisters, we'll be making stir fry quinoa. In the first part of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to make plain quinoa, and in the second part, I'm going to show you how we put together the stir fry quinoa. You need 1 cup of quinoa, 2 cups of water, and some chicken bouillon. The brand I'm using is better than Bouillon. I actually like using this better than chicken broth. I just add a little teaspoon to the water and it makes really good chicken broth. Let's get to cooking. In a non-stick saucepan, we're gonna pour the 2 cups of water, the 1 cup of quinoa. Let's add 1 teaspoon of the chicken bouillon. If you don't want to use chicken bouillon, you can just use 2 cups of chicken broth instead of the water. Mix it all around. We're gonna heat it up in medium heat until it boils. Once you mix the water and the quinoa and the chicken bouillon, put on the lid and take it to your stove. Heat it up on medium heat until it boils. Once it boils, just turn it to simmer and leave it covered for 15 to 20 minutes until there's no more water. After the quinoa being in the stove for 20 minutes under simmer, it should look like this. All the water is gone. All the water is gone, so you just bring a fork and you just start fluffing it up. The key to make this quinoa is that when it's on the stove, make sure that you don't remove the lid. Just keep an eye out that nothing's overflowing and have patience. And now you have some delicious quinoa. Okay, now on to the main recipe. So we're gonna be making a stir fry quinoa. I usually like to add a lot of vegetables and make it very colorful. So the vegetables I chose are red bell pepper, 1 medium carrot, some corn, and some peas. The corn and peas are frozen. And to flavor everything up, we're going to be using some sesame oil, minced garlic, ginger. I like using this squeezed ginger. I got it from Costco. It's convenient. And your soy sauce of choice. I like using Maggi. And your cooked quinoa that we made. Okay, now let's get to the main dish. So in a frying pan, I'm gonna add a little bit of sesame oil just to coat the bottom. 1 teaspoon of the squeezed ginger. And minced garlic. We're gonna heat that up on medium heat until the fragrance are released. After the garlic and ginger have released their fragrance, you're going to add the bell pepper, and the carrot, and continue cooking until it's soft. As you can see, the carrot and the bell pepper have brightened up in color and have softened, so it's time to add our frozen vegetables, which is the peas and the corn. If these vegetables are not something you like to eat, then you can just make it with whatever vegetables you like. I like using these vegetables because it shows a different variety of colors, and colorful food is more appealing. As you can see, the corn and the peas and the other vegetables are well combined. We're gonna add some soy sauce. How about a teaspoon? Some salt. And black pepper. I like to add a lot of pepper to my food. And you add your cooked quinoa. Continue heating it up until everything is well combined. And this is the final product. It's very colorful and appealing. I usually like to eat it by itself for lunch at work, or you can just add some chicken if you like to eat meat, or tofu if you're vegetarian. Enjoy and hope you make this recipe soon. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for next episode.